In this exercise, we'll convert fraction notation to percent notation. We'll find percent notation for 11 over 8. And the first thing that we'll do is to divide to find decimal notation for 11 over 8. We'll take 8 into 11. 8 goes into 11 one time. Now we'll need to write a decimal point and add a 0. And we'll place the decimal point in the quotient. Bring down the 0. 8 goes into 30 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. The difference is 6. We'll add another 0. 8 goes into 60 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. The difference is 4. We'll need another 0 up here. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. And the difference is 0, so we're finished. We know that decimal notation for 11 over 8 is 1.375. And now we'll convert 1.375 to percent notation. The first thing that we do is to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, which would place it here, and then we write the percent symbol. So we would say that 11/8 is equal to 137.5%. And we could also write this, since 0.5 is equivalent to 1/2, another way that we could write this is as 137 1/2%.